Hello students, today I am going to tell the summary of chapters of the science which is in your first term syllabus. In first term, you have to study chapter 1 to 4. In chapter 1, you have to study the food we eat. I have told you all the key topics of food we eat in the previous video. Then let us focus on that key topics. Food, our basic necessity. In this topic, we know that all living beings need food. The food that we eat has many substances that help our body to grow. Food, our basic necessity चैप्टर में हम लोग पढ़े हैं कि जितने भी लिविंग बींग्स होते हैं उन्हें भोजन की जरूरत होती है। उनके ग्रोथ के लिए, स्ट्रांग होने के लिए, एनर्जी के लिए फूड की जरूरत होती है। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, न्यूट्रिएंट्स। व्हाट इज न्यूट्रिएंट्स? द सब्सटेंसेस दैट आर नीडेड बाय आवर बॉडी फॉर एनर्जी, गुड हेल्थ एंड प्रॉपर ग्रोथ। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ फूड। कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन्स, विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स, फैट, रफेज एंड वाटर, ये सारे कंपोनेंट फूड के कंपोनेंट्स हैं जिसे हमें न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलता है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज एनर्जी गिविंग फूड। प्रोटीन्स, it is also known as body building food. Vitamins and minerals, it is known as protective food. Fats, it is known as also energy giving food. And roughage and water, they are very essential for our digestion. Next topic, balanced diet. A diet containing the right quantity of all the essential nutrients is called balanced diet. And next topic, don't waste food. We know that wasting food is not a good habit because there are a lot of people who don't have anything to eat. And last topic, preservation of food. The process of preserving the food from getting spoiled is called food preservation. There are some method of food preservation: canning, boiling, dehydrating, freezing and pickling. And next chapter is the teeth. Set of teeth. There are two type of teeth: temporary teeth, permanent teeth. Temporary teeth is also known as milk teeth. The number of temporary teeth is 20 and the number of permanent teeth is 32. Next topic, different kind of teeth. There are 4 type of teeth. First, incisor, it is also known as cutting teeth. Second, canines, it is also known as tearing teeth. Third, premolars, it is also known as cracking teeth. And last, molars, it is also known as grinding teeth. Next topic, structure of tooth. There are 2 type of tooth: crown and root. Crown above the gum and root inside the gum. And there are 3 layers of tooth: enamel, dentine, pulp. Enamel is the outermost part of the tooth. Dentine is the middle part of tooth. And pulp is the inside part of tooth. They are attached to blood inner vessels. And care of teeth. I have also defined in previous video care of teeth. Our teeth help us to tear, bite, chew food. So it is very important to take care of our teeth. And last topic, good food habits for teeth and gum. First, drink milk every day. Second, eat fresh fruits and vegetables. And next chapter is human body, digestive system and excretory system. Let us focus key topics which I taught you in the previous video. First, key topics in digestive system. The food that we eat, as we can see, moves down to the whole system and get digested is known as digestive system. Digestive system में जो माउथ के थ्रू स्टार्ट होता है और पूरे होल प्रोसेस जो डाइजेशन का होता है उसको डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम कहते हैं. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ द माउथ, फूड पाइप, liver, stomach, small intestine and large intestine are main organs of digestive system, and the alimentary canal is the whole process, the whole things starting from mouth up to the anus. Next topic, excretory system. The process of removal waste product from the body is called excretion, and the waste product and extra water from our body are removed through our excretory system. It is made up of a pair of kidney, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder and urethra. Kidney is the main organ of excretory system. They are the blood and pass the waste products through ureter in the form of urine. Ureters, they are the muscular tube that connect kidney to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder, it is a hollow muscular organ that collects urine from the kidney. Urethra, it is a duct which releases urine out of the body from the urinary bladder. Healthy eating habits related to digestion and excretion. I have already defined this topic in the previous video. Then let us focus on some points. Chew the food properly. Don't talk while eating and do not overeat. क्योंकि खाने के समय में हम लोग को बात नहीं करनी चाहिए और भोजन को पूरा चबा के खाना चाहिए और ये भूख से ज्यादा ओवर डाइट नहीं लेनी चाहिए. एंड लास्ट चैप्टर, adaptation in animals. All living things adjust themselves to their surrounding for the change themselves according to their environment to survive is known as adaptation in animals. And next point, need for adaptation in animals. Animals को adaptation की जरूरत क्यों होती है? अपने आप को environment में survive करने के लिए animals को adaptation की जरूरत है. And next topic, adaptation to different habitat. Animals categorized in different group according to their habitat. First, terrestrial animals which lives on land. Aquatic animals which lives on water. Amphibious animals which live both on land and in water. Aerial animals which can fly in air. Arboreal animals which live mostly on trees. Next topic, adaptation of food. Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. First, herbivores, they are plant-eating animals. Carnivores, they are flesh-eating animals. Omnivores, they eat plants as well as flesh. And last topic, care and concern. I have already defined this topic in the previous videos. Then let us focus on some points. Some steps can be adapted to protect the animals. Avoid cutting trees as much as possible. There are some points to take care the main animals. First, be kind to all organisms. Second, maintain their health and hygiene. I think that you all students understood these chapters, and you have to also learn this chapter of first term syllabus.